You won't believe this started as a broken basket. This broken basket was about to be thrown away, but I had a different idea. First, I repaired all the broken weaving using glue. Then, I gave it a beautiful greige finish and lightly airbrushed white over it to create an aged, high-end look. Next, I wrapped rope around the base to add texture. For the handles, I added rope details to give the basket a custom, handcrafted look. A quick pass with a lighter cleaned up the loose fibers. Finally, I made a simple tassel and attached it to complete the design. After adding the flowers, this once broken basket was completely transformed. Would you believe this was headed for the trash? Let me know what you think and subscribe for more $0 luxury DIY transformations.